Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation, configuration for some open source application. Okay guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to create a user. So user is the one for the agents and their phone extensions. Okay guys, so first you need to log into your BG Dial administration. Okay, so we have here a user. Okay, so this is our user. And for the phones, for the extension phone, you need to go to the admin and then phones. So this is the that we need to create. Okay, so one for the extension and one for phones. Okay, so to create, so you need to add a new phone. So you can put extension 5500. So this is 5500 is the phone extension, dial plan number. You can copy and paste. So this one is the agent screen login. So when you create here, for example, you're gonna add the user now. So you will see your phone login and password. So these two should be matched to this one. Okay, the agent screen login and login password. So if I use this will be my simple. Okay, so this is my just create a user, login username number, and then I just put also here. Okay, and then for the login password, I can copy this one and paste over there, or you can also use the same. Okay, copy and paste. Okay, and then uh, okay, for now we don't have any user group, so we will use the admin. Okay, just submit. So I have now a user available. Okay, this is one. Okay, and then from here, so okay, you can put your name of the agent over there, then submit. So now this is your phone extension. Okay, for the agent you've been created, and then you need to because we are using a web phone, only the BG phone already, so you need to stick this one to Y. Okay, and then scroll it down. You need to use have a template. So this will be a BG phone web RTC. So I'm using a PG zip. Okay, submit. Okay, now this is our phone. Okay, we can. Okay, so we have now created a phone. Okay, and then we need to go to the system. I want to forcefully reload the dial plan. Okay, and then submit. Okay, and then we can able to test it. Let's try if the phone is working. Okay, okay, same password. Okay, it was red filled. Okay, so because here, so we need to check on the phone settings. So this is my forgot. So Miss PJ zip over here on this setup. PJ zip on testing. So let's try. Force the reload again. Okay, just put in here and then press enter to refresh. Okay, let me log in again. And I should created. Need to wait view. Okay. You can check over here. 401 set unauthorized over here. So okay, now it's registered. Okay, let me log in back. Okay, now it's registered because we receive a response. 200. Okay. Okay. So that's all how to create the phone extension. And now, how to create a bulk phone extension. Okay. So we will create a bulk phone extension and user. So this is our phone extension. So you need to go here, admin utilities, bulk phone, so you can put your phone extension you want to add over here. So if you have 50 or 100, so you can able to do able able to create that in single seconds. Okay, so for example, I have 5, so I will use my registration password and the login password. A login password I can generate one. Okay, for the IP address, you should use your IP BG dial IP address. Okay, go in there. And then do not create alias before na set web phone, yes. And your template ID. Okay, template ID and submit. And then you have now your list of phone extension. So you have here. So this one. Okay. So agent screen login should have they have an A. So we just change this one because I'm using PJ zip. Okay. And then for the user, same thing. You can go admin utilities, admin bulk tool, user, copy. So you can set to 55001 and to 55005. And then submit, confirm. Then go to do a user. You have now additional user over here. So you can modify, you need to modify this one each user. Okay, because the phone login is copied to the old user, and you can check the password of each phone that you have been created. So from here, this one, so I can use this one. Okay, and then the password, login password, this one. Okay, and then submit. So if I try to log in this one, okay, if I if I try the user that I created, then just log out this one. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so it's already working. Okay, 5001. So, okay. And then if you are using for the normal zip, like for this one, I will use this one as soft phone. Okay. So I just disable the web phone and then change this one to generic zip. Okay. Okay. So this is one the zip generic. So we can go to the Zoiper. Let's see if we can able to connect. So this is our Zoiper now. Continue pre-user. And then your extension number, registration password. Okay, login. And then the IP address of the server. Okay, next. And then script. Let's see if we can able, but not sure if possible. I think it's not possible. So because I need the okay. Yeah. Hope you are enjoying our video. So this is our video for today is how to create a user in BG Dial using the if you are using a BG phone or WebRTC. Okay guys, thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.